So the Fundación Barrie de la Maza is a non-profit organization. It's located in Galicia, that is the northwest area of Spain, and they give fellowships for undergrads, master programs, MBA programs, as well as postdoctoral programs. When I got the position here as an alumni that I am from the Fundación Barrie, we decided to establish this partnership and have an undergraduate opportunity for Spanish students to come here to LSU Health Shreveport and perform science in a top-notch institute where they can actually have a project, be leaders and get ownership of that project and learn what it means to be a researcher.
I'm really happy to be here. I see research more as an option now than I did before, and I think really an amazing opportunity for Spaniards to come here and see how really high-level research works, which is something that is actually hard to see in Spain.
And 3 of our students have come back with another program that we established with the Fundación Barrie that is a PhD scholarship, and they are being very successful. One such a student is in my lab. He is only about to start his 3rd year, and he has already got several awards. He has presented in international conferences, so these students are really outstanding. Because this program, the undergrad summer program, was so successful, what started as a partnership between us, LSU and Fundación Barrie, has now expanded, and other universities such as Harvard, Michigan, or even in the United Kingdom, UCL, that is University College of London, are also part of this internship program.
I think anyone who has the opportunity to have come here is absolutely worthy